So check out this packaging. It's like, I don't know, not taped. And the lid was kind of popped off there, look at that. Anyway, not pleased with the packaging. What we got here is a cell phone clamp for a bike. Figure picture's worth 1,000 words. It's pretty wide. Little nut there, you can tighten it. So you can adjust that angle there. I think it's pretty fat. Alright, so first complaint is the packaging. The box totally sucked. If it was getting thrashed in the mail system, there's no reason that flap could open up and be gone. The product itself does okay. I mean, I was trying to like be aggressive with it, and it wasn't until I was dropping it that it popped out of the case, but it never fell off. So if you're cruising, doing some light stuff here and there, yeah, it should hold your camera, it should keep it there safe. Even when it popped out of the casing, those 4 bands around it held onto it. I feel confident that if I put my cell phone in this system, that it will hold it securely. As I cruise, pop a few wheelies, do a few jumps, it should be fine. Pretty cool product. The clamp gets pretty big. It fit around the bike frame. So that does okay. I don't know what that is, a 2-inch pipe right there, and then it could go around handlebars and anything you want. So the tightening wing nut is plastic, but it runs smoothly. It looks fairly sturdy, so pleased with that. The way it grips, the rubber that is used with the plastic seems to grip well. So overall I'm pleased. Nothing fell, nothing broke. I'm glad because I don't want to break my cell phone, but at the same time, you know, they did send it to me for free for a product review. I might as well test it a little bit, be a little aggressive with it. But other than that, I like it. It's kind of cool. I'm going to use it.